Hi, Malay here. Today we will learn how we can get a super security in your website or your funnel. Security is the most important part in websites. If your security in your websites or funnel is good, then no one can hamper or no one can damage your security or damage your property in your websites. So it is most important part in security. Today we will learn how to add security head in our funnel or websites sections. So first of all, we have to go to our sub account. Under sub account there is site. Under site there is funnel or websites. We will go to websites and there will find one websites. When we will go to our website tab, then we will get the security section. When we will go to the security, there is option security header. If there is no option in security header, then you have to add security header. Here I will add a security header from this section. Suppose when my security header will be added in my security header section, then afterward I can edit or delete as per my need, and I can add another one from these sides. Now security header is added. If I want to check my security, then if we go to that security header probably sites, if I go for scan, then I have to put my link here and scan. Then automatically, suppose this is not my link, but if there is link is mine, that I can scan, and here the security is C. So like that way I can check my security in my websites. So this is for security header video. Thank you.